Hello everyone! I'm AYANA. Today, I'll explain how to make this animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Press this button to create a new composition. You can also create a new composition by pressing Ctrl+N. Change the composition name. Change the duration. Click OK. Press this button and select the Type tool. You can also change the Type tool by pressing Ctrl+T. Change font settings. Change the paint color. Click OK. Press Ctrl+Alt+Home to center the anchor point. Press Ctrl+Home to center the object relative to the anchor point. Search in the search box. Press P to display only the position. Select a property. Search in the search box. Double-click on the property to expand it. Change the value of the property. Search in the search box. Double-click on the property to expand it. Change the value of the property. Create a keyframe. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Double-click on the property to expand it. Click this list box to change. Change the value of the property. Change the value of the property. Press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Press this button to display the graph editor. Select Edit Speed Graph. Adjust the graph. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Press Enter to apply the effect. Change the value of the property. Click this checkbox. Press T to display only opacity. Hold down the Alt key and click the stopwatch icon to add an expression. Press numpad to select a layer. Move the indicator. Press S to display only the scale. Create a keyframe. Press Ctrl plus cursor keys to move indicator one frame later or earlier. Change the value of the property. Press Ctrl plus cursor keys to move indicator one frame later or earlier. Change the value of the property. Press Ctrl plus cursor keys to move indicator one frame later or earlier. Change the value of the property. Press the home key to move the indicator to 0. Press spacebar to preview. This is the end of today's lecture. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.